This is some quality engineering over here.
Yeah. Only the best.
Absolute quality.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Starting today off a little late. It was way too hot to go anywhere today, and it's like 4 in the afternoon right now. It cooled down a little bit. I'm sweating bullets. Got the AC blasting in the E30, and we're going to my friend Henry's house. We're gonna go make a boost leak tester, and I'm gonna show you his car. He's got a pretty sick car. It's a 5M GTE swap Cressida. You don't see that every day. So drive on over there and we're gonna screw around with that a little bit. We're pulling up to my friend's house now, and you can see it's got not one, 2 of these things. That one's actually for sale. Hit me up if you want it. Let me go get this guy outside. So I got my redneck friend out.
Here, let's go down to Walmart and get a cheese late there.
This guy's out of his mind. So yeah, this is his broken Cressida. You want to?
Right?
Yeah. Crown jewel.
Yeah. Hold on, let me put it all together. How many times have we taken this thing apart?
50.
5? Probably more. But yeah.
Quality.
Absolute quality. Somehow I have a battery drain with like 1 electronic on the whole fucking thing.
This is a family-friendly channel, Henry.
You.
Great. Now I got more editing to do. Little ricer pipe going on over here too.
Yeah, mounted ever so fucking tactfully.
You don't see these things every day. Neither do you see people like him.
This thing's garbage. Absolutely.
Like everything we own. Nothing new. Now what is this? In a Cressida. See, this Cressida is something special. Oh, this actually works now. 5M GTE. Got a little snail over there. Stealthy intercooler. This thing rips. Got a massive boost leak now though, so we're gonna try and figure out how to make a tester. Alright, so we're gonna head on over to Home Depot. We're gonna get some materials. I guess we're gonna plug this hose here, and then we're gonna put a tire valve stem in that and fill that up with air. Because I know a traditional boost leak tester, you're supposed to plug this and fill that up with air, but there's too many hoses here and just too many hoses in general to do that method. So we're gonna try and modify it a little bit. All right, we made it to Home Depot. Got here in luxury with the AC. This guy is trying to convince me to buy another car.
Yeah.
Yeah, life's great. All right, let's run in there and find some parts for his boost leak tester. All right, we got what you needed from Home Depot. Got our candy. Yeah, we really came for the candy. That's extra. He's happy. I'm happy. I got free candy. Now we have to go to AutoZone and get what do we need? We need JB Weld and it's escaping me.
Valve stem.
Valve stem. Homemade boost leak tester. Got all the materials over here. JB Weld. Probably the most important one. And this clown made me spill sugar all over the car for my candy.
You have a fat that wanted to buy it.
Can you believe this guy? I give him a ride. I give him a ride to Home Depot, 2 Home Depots, and to AutoZone. This is what he calls me. Can you believe this? I'm going to kick him out right now, make him take the bus. Unbelievable. Okay, so we made it back to the house, and we have what we need. We have our cap. We have our valve stem. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the mass airflow sensor off and try and rig that up to this and see if we can pressurize the system. I put the cap back onto this, and we'll see how it goes. We also gotta find an air compressor. I probably have one in my house, so we can pump some air unless we take a bike tire pump or something like that. I'll see what we have. So this genius decided he wants to use AC tape to wrap the boost leak test around the mass airflow sensor.
Because I'm not going the back to Home Depot.
I can't win. I mean, it might not leak. He's being lazy. I told him to take an angle grinder and trim it down a little bit, and it'll be fine.
Yeah, but then what if we f it? We might as well try this first, because this we can reverse. That we can't.
I mean, whatever. I'm at a loss for words for this guy. This is some quality engineering over here.
Yeah. Only the best.
Oh, this is how you fix boost leaks or vacuum leaks. AC tape. Alright, we're hooking up the jump pack with our little air nozzle at the end.
Oh.
There we go.
0 PSI.
It's leaking from somewhere. Check the turbo. Anything there? Definitely got a vacuum leak. Wait a second.
Is it on all the whole way? I don't think it is.
I feel air up. Well, while he looks, I guess I was wrong. And AC tape does work pretty well because it's not leaking. It's leaking from somewhere else.
We need something quieter. No,
You'd feel it.
Fuck, hear it.
Turn it back on.
Alright, I'll go.
Definitely feel air running through it. Let me put the camera down while I look a little better because it's kind of hard to do with one hand. All right, we got to change the plans. Car's going on hold.
Because it's.
And he's dragging me out to go look at another BMW. And this is going to be interesting because I really don't want to buy it. And
Is it broken?
he probably just broke my sunroof. Give me this.
Rest in peace.
No.
Oh, no.
Sunroof works. It's a BMW. It never worked. So, we're a couple blocks away from whoever the hell this guy is. Gotta change some gears over here.
God. The worst potholes in New York City.
Yeah, and I'm bombing over them. But, yeah, we're a couple blocks away. I'm not buying this today, for sure. I don't really want to buy it. He is trying to persuade me to buy it. That's the street right here. Alright, let's see. It's definitely not a storage unit, I'll tell you that much.
In 500 feet, the destination is on your left.
I think it's some,
No, it's probably behind the street.
yeah, that's what I think. It's somewhere behind these houses. Right,
Yeah, it's on the
a
left
bunch of
over
garages.
The destination is on your left.
Yeah,
1046 116th Street.
Where is it? Right here?
Arrived.
Of course, there's no parking. I guess tell this guy we're here. You got some interior lights here?
No?
No. Hold on, I got this. Got a light. Alright, so story time. Guy's a dealer. Car's got rod holes everywhere you look. There's no exhaust. Thing's junk. And he's like, the car's $10,000 in nice shape. And I mean, that car's not in nice shape. And
But
yeah.
we saw something that is
incredible that we're gonna show you in a second.
Yeah, there's some old 60s muscle cars back there too, hidden away. So we're gonna go park somewhere where we can park, because right now we're kind of just...
Yeah, we also don't want to see this guy like try to
Yeah.
steal his car.
Yeah, this guy might not be thrilled with us. But, yeah, how it's like buying hoopties from a dealer, apparently. You also gotta go to Home Depot, get your time cert.
Oh yeah. Fuck.
Yeah, adventures. Alright, let's go look at some old cars. Alright, so we're here.
Most incredible cars I've ever seen.
Lighting's horrible.
Clean Challenger.
50s car.
Got a Camaro back there.
That Camaro is clean.
Bel Air. And the Crown Jewel. Fucking Wrangler station wagon. Coupe
That's
station
sick.
wagon.
Got a Mustang
Amazing
back there
car I've
too.
ever seen.
Too bad you can't see much, but this is
We
pretty.
got a Mustang back there.
That's pretty crazy.
These cars are impressive.
That one's actually registered.
Yeah, this drives.
Wow.
We got a Suzuki back there. Looks like
This is
some
a
kind of
find. Can't believe you found something like this looking at a junk BMW.
I think this is just so impressive.
Wow, yeah, that is definitely
So
the
hype.
coolest car here. That's rare.
You know how much this car is probably worth
A
in this
lot.
condition?
Well, it's missing a wheel and everything. No, it
Doesn't
has
matter though.
wheels.
These cars are super rare.
Wow,
In this, just for the shell, just for the VIN number.
Yeah,
This car is worth
definitely.
Like, this car is worth like
Got a
5,
Corvette
6
over there
grand.
too. I think that's a Corvette, the blue one.
Yeah, it is Corvette.
It's a Corvette. Wow.
Also has historical plates. This is all plates.
Muscle car graveyard. That's crazy, man.
You might have to come back here and talk to this guy.
Yeah, right? And offer this guy some money. We walk all the way back.
I'll show the.
should. I don't know if I want to put a light on. And look at this. Hopefully you guys you can see it, but
Can you? Let me see. Let me see the viewfinder.
not really.
Can't see shit.
Whatever.
Terrible 733.
Looks good from maybe 20 feet away. Thing's
Yeah.
junk. Now we walk back to the E30. Hope I didn't get a ticket. Alright, we're back at Henry's house. And we broke the hose clamp for the mass airflow sensor, so we're not going to get a hose clamp right now. We're doing this another day.
That's all, folks.
Yeah, we're drained. We wasted a bunch of time, did a bunch of nothing, looked at a junk car, and that's it. Unless you want to go terrorize people on the scooter. That's something to watch.
Something, bro.
I'm leaking?
Something.
That's AC.
Oh, quality.
I hope that's AC.
So you want to go terrorize people?
I don't know. Do you want to go terrorize
I'm
people?
down.
What are we going to do?
I don't know. Ride around. Oh wait, no, I can't. The exhaust is falling off.
Up, so I guess you can't go.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, and that's it. Catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll,
Actually, do something.
yeah, hopefully we'll actually boost leak test this car and maybe we can drive it. Because last time we were in it, the thing ripped, but kind of fell on its face after 5,000.
Yeah,
because...
but we decided to take it apart.
Yeah, that too. Alright, so as always, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, maybe subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks.